Okay, here's a quick video on if you've got audio on one side on whatever camera you're using, then here's why. If you're using the Wireless Go 2. The Wireless Go 2 requires you to have it set at merge and have your safety channel off. If these two are set, then you're going to have audio on the left and audio on the right. If you've got your safety channel on, you're going to have audio on one side. Now, this took forever for me to figure out. I'm running the Osmo 3, and I kept having the audio on one side. So when I finally set it to merge and safety channel off, now I got the audio on both sides. So this really saves a lot of time with editing. So again, if you have the Wireless Go 2 and it's only recording audio on one side, open the program for your Rode 2 and set it to merged and safety channel off. Now keep in mind, when you do this, delete this program and download the newest version, which right now it's version 2.2.3, which could change. But always make sure when you're messing with the Rode 2 that you go download the software every single time, because chances are there's an upgrade. Catch you guys on the next one.